What happens to water we use in our homes and businesses? We don't often consider that past the drain, the wastewater flowing beneath our homes, streets, and hillsides can pose a significant risk to public health, to our environment, and to the quality and safety of our natural water resources. Many agencies have paid the price for not paying attention to their wastewater infrastructure. Broken lines, backups, and sewer system overflows result in closed beaches, public outcry, and significant costs to such agencies for their negligence. The City of Glendale is responsible for nearly 400 miles of sewer lines. It must be monitored and maintained. The city's Public Works Department has taken a proactive approach in caring for and ensuring the reliability of its wastewater collection system, involving a comprehensive program of predictive, corrective, and preventative maintenance. Predictive maintenance involves planning and preparing for growth and change in the city by improving the capacity of the system in order to support the increased demand on the system as the city grows. Corrective maintenance involves the inspection of existing wastewater lines to find defects and developing problems caused by deterioration or earth movement. These problems, when encountered, are placed on a schedule to be corrected through targeted repair projects. Preventive maintenance involves the day-to-day monitoring, cleaning, and repairing of wastewater lines to keep the city's wastewater flowing to treatment. All facets of the Public Works wastewater maintenance program benefit greatly from our ability to see what is happening within the city's sewer lines. Our closed-circuit television truck is the ideal tool to be our eyes below ground. Moving throughout the system and visually inspecting stretches of line, we are able to check the quality of our cleaning efforts and detect defects or other concerns. Wastewater and engineering staff view and analyze between 50 and 60 miles of sewer lines each year. Cleaning our lines involves the use of specialized equipment and methods to cut away and/or flush away material that disrupts flow in our sewer system. Certain stretches of the system involve accessing and working in a variety of hard-to-reach places throughout the city. Glendale's wastewater crew cleans over 1.6 million linear feet of sewer lines each year. Most of the city's collection system is a gravity flow system. However, the city does have one lift station where a gravity line gets so deep that the wastewater needs to be pumped back up to a shallower level to resume gravity fall. The lift station is a facility that requires special attention as it involves care for critical equipment that monitors levels and provides telemetry warnings and notices of any station malfunction. Several large industrial pumps require specialized maintenance from time to time. Glendale Public Works is proud of its maintenance program and our ability to keep the system flowing.
Glendale Maintenance Department, this is James. Can I help you?
But with such large, complex, and aging infrastructure, the need for responding to a backup or overflow is ever present.
Okay, water coming out of a manhole. All right, sir, we'll get a unit out there as soon as we can for you.
That is why Glendale wastewater crews are highly trained and prepared for emergency response. This preparedness involves being ready and equipped to respond to an overflow quickly and taking action to stop and control sewage before it reaches an outfall point to the LA River and the ocean. Our first priority in emergency response is to contain, capture, and minimize the loss of sewage to the storm drain system. This is accomplished through damming wastewater flows before they reach a storm drain and installing plugs in catch basins to contain the contaminated water within. Meanwhile, the first crew has arrived on scene with heavy equipment. Their job is to start recovering the contaminated water from the overflow site utilizing high-capacity vacuum equipment. A second crew member moves on to priority 2 of our emergency, relieving the cause of the stoppage. This individual concentrates on eliminating the cause of the overflowing manhole utilizing such tools as a buster nozzle to clear the obstructions in the line causing the overflow and returning the flow to normal. Sometimes a temporary bypass is needed while the crew cleans the line. In the event that sewage makes it into the storm drain system, the wastewater section has implemented a downstream capture process, where crews knowledgeable about Glendale's storm drain system and flow transit times to the river will chase down and make a stand at a distant point in the storm system, and then vacuuming up the sewage and flush water as it arrives at the recovery point. Finally, we clean and sanitize a street, gutter line, and catch basin to eliminate any residual contamination and leave the area in a sanitary and safe condition. The Public Works Department's wastewater maintenance program strives to keep Glendale's streets and homes free from backups, and Southern California's beaches open and safe for the public.